Hello everyone, today we have a 2015 Ford F-350 Super Duty with a 6.7 liter Powerstroke engine. Oh, sounds good, so I'll go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour. Does have the tow hooks up front and fog lights, fixed running boards, polished aluminum wheels. Also has the keyless entry on the door, which I use all the time on mine. It does have the hand up, so we'll go ahead and close that up. It also is set up for a fifth wheel. And it has a bedliner. Power sliding back window, backup camera. Does have an aftermarket tow hitch on it. And the FX4 package that'll have the upgraded suspension, skid plate and such. This one also has the Lariat package. Give you leather seats, and that middle seat folds down for a console, or goes up so you can seat 6. Here's a shot of the VIN right here. Let's have some aftermarket floor mats. Just come in here, go ahead and close this down. Turn this down too. Okay, you see that you do have both heated and cooled seats in the front. So you can bounce over to just climate controls only or stereo only. And when you do that, you can select AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD card, or your aux cord. If you want to see the backup camera, just pop it into reverse. There's the backup camera. As you come over here, you're going to see that it has 250,107 miles on this vehicle. Come over here, you've got your 2- and 4-wheel drive shifter. Additional power supplies, your trailer controls, your upfitter switches, cup holders. And here's a 110 that's super handy. Okay, seats are in great shape. As you come up here, you're going to have your glasses holders and your map reading lights and your power back window switch right there. All right, this particular vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchipmanauto.com.